Decluttering Challenge Day 10. And we are in, sorry, I just swipe off a notification. We are in bookshelves today. So I'm excited about day 10 because this is actually not that hard of a job. I mean, in a way, it's an overwhelming job, but I'm going to get a Goodwill bag and I'm going to make a stack for the kids to go through that want to ask if they want to keep or not. And and then most of it's just organizing, and I really enjoy organizing. And so when I say organizing, I just mean making like light groups of books. And I'm only gonna work on this for 15 minutes. I'm not gonna alphabetize them, which I would love to do, but it's too rough for that. It's not at that level yet. I just wanted to get rid of a bunch of books, and really that's the name of today's game. Get rid of a bunch of books and then consolidate, and maybe I can open up some space on the shelves so I can move more stuff out of Daniel's room and into these shelves because his room is overcrowded. So, all about decluttering bookshelves. The main thing you need for decluttering bookshelves is a Goodwill box or a Goodwill bag, or basically a get rid of it box. And that's what I do with them. I send them to the thrift store. It works for me. Yeah, I have to stand with my head in this exact location because if I move my head, the lighting gets really bad. I don't know. Anyway, I think I'm just putting off actually doing this. So let's do this. Just need a bag. Total of 30 shelves, looking better, and a half. Unfortunately, it's not so simple as just putting things in a good way. I really wish it were. These are the things that aren't technically mine that I think need to be gone through by the kids. These included. So I ended up making a big pile on the floor. Highly scientific, isn't it? So now I'm going to get together with my youngest son, and I'm going to save a couple that I know are not his, or another one that a different brother needs to go through, and we're going to go through these. And then I will safely be able to put some in the Goodwill bag. And in the last move, I'm noticing one of my shelves didn't make it. So I've got this one like giant shelf. So I hope that you feel more accomplished than I do right now. No, I do feel accomplished. I know that I got a lot done, and I have my youngest son at home right now, so he and I are fixing to go through these, which I'm sure he'll be thrilled about, but we're going to do it, and that will help a lot, and then I won't have a big pile of books on my floor. Anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying the decluttering challenge, and I will see you next time for day number 11.